Quick question. Do you actually know the name of everybody in your club? Especially if you have like a book club or a craft club or a knitting club, anything. If it's a few people, if it's 3 or 4, it's easy to remember and it's the correct thing to do. But when your club gets to the double digits, what do? You get name tags. And I think that's a very common practice. There are sticker name tags. There are also those name tags that servers use. There's also the convention name tags. That's why we have them. So you can say hi to the other person and maybe call them by their name, and it's easier for you to learn that and remember that. So I designed and 3D printed some name tags for all my book club, and this is how I made them. Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm a maker, coder, and I like overcomplicating projects. I wanted to see this design and this size I wanted, so I made a sketch first. Then I moved to Fusion 360 and I designed the name tag there. The cool thing about it is that the mechanism stays the same. I used 10 by 3 millimeter magnets, and you can make the name tag as big or as small as you want it. I like them because they're really versatile and they're really fun to play with as well. I think these are the best type of magnets for 3D prints. I 3D printed the name tags with my Bambulab, and I did first a test, but then I printed batches of 10 by 10 because I did 50 of them for my book club. The magnets are held in a press fit configuration, so I just wiggle them in using a magnet stack and some pliers, and you can easily remove them with a small screwdriver and that same magnet stack too. I laminated and made like a sticker design for my book club specifically because I didn't want it to be all red, but red looks fine, so you can do that. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find. And here are some clips of the event, and it worked perfectly. The magnets held. It was amazing. Okay, so let's start to talk about the sizes of a name tag. There is your standard name tag, which I didn't know that existed, but it is actually like a standard of size, and this is it, right? It's pretty nice, pretty small, just for your name. It's usually the ones that servers use. And yeah, then I made another size. This is my custom size for my book club. I wanted a little bit of a squareness to it. It's almost the same width as the standard name tag, but I decided to make it a little bit taller. And I like this. I think this is better for writing your name with a marker or something like that if you want to reuse them. And this is a business card size name tag. When I thought about this, like what is one thing that usually we have a bunch if you go to networking events? I don't have business cards, but I know people who do. And I know a lot of cultures use business cards to present themselves. So I thought about this one, that it could be a nice idea. You can just like stick them into it and reuse them and have something to attach to yourself. And I'm actually really cool because you can see their personality too with their name tag. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, this is business, my name tag, and this is the standard one. I think these are pretty neat. I think this is a basic thing every book club should have if you want to make your own. The files are free in Maker World. The cool thing about this is that you can print as much as you need, so you don't have to get those big packages with 100 name tags or 50 name tags or buy multiple. You can really customize it to whatever your book club or club needs. So yeah, have fun, and if you like this video, be sure to follow, comment, and let me know what I should build next. Okay, bye!